How to evaluate Gold IRA fees when converting from a SARSEP. Understanding the fees involved in a SARSEP to Gold IRA rollover is essential for protecting long-term retirement savings. Clear and predictable costs help ensure that the shift into physical gold strengthens, rather than diminishes, your financial position. A simplified review of the main fee categories can help you make a more informed decision. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Key fees to review. 1. Account setup fee. Most custodians charge a one-time fee to open a Gold IRA. While usually small, it varies among providers. Compare a few companies to avoid unnecessarily high administrative charges. 2. Annual maintenance fee. Each Gold IRA requires ongoing management. Annual fees cover account administration, reporting, and customer support. Look for custodians that offer clear, itemized pricing without hidden extras. 3. Storage fee. Physical gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. Some storage fees are flat, while others are based on the value of your metals. Flat fees often benefit larger accounts, while percentage-based fees may suit smaller investments. 4. Transaction costs. Buying and selling precious metals can involve dealer markups or transaction charges. Review both the purchase premium and potential sellback fees so there are no surprises later. 5. Insurance fee. Depositories typically include insurance to protect your assets. Confirm whether the coverage fully matches the value of your metals, as incomplete insurance may increase your risk. 6. Rollover or transfer fee. Some custodians charge a small fee to process the SARSEP to Gold IRA rollover. Make sure this cost is stated upfront before initiating the transfer. Simple evaluation tips. Ask for a complete written fee schedule. Compare total yearly costs, not just advertised rates. Choose the fee model that fits your investment size. Avoid custodians that lack transparency or clarity. Evaluating fees carefully ensures your SARSEP to Gold IRA rollover remains cost-effective and strategically beneficial. By understanding setup, storage, insurance, and transaction-related expenses, you protect your retirement capital and position yourself for long-term stability with physical gold. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.